Alright, so it's time for the happiest times of my life, which is opening a package. I know, I'm that materialistic, but yeah, this is a deck that I've been waiting on for a long time, and so yeah, it seems like it actually graciously sent me a lot more than I actually bought, so I'm really grateful for that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into unboxing and just reviewing the deck, because yeah, you didn't come here to see my face, so whatever. So yeah, cool Swiss Army knife from my Air Cadet days. So yeah, I'm just gonna use that to open the package because I don't have any letter openers, mail openers, whatever the correct term for this is. But I don't have anything of that sort, so I'm gonna need to cut it open like that. So right, all right, there we go. There's a package inside of a package. That's definitely new. Oh my god, there's another box inside. Help. There's so many boxes. There's so much plastic. Well, at least you know it's safely packaged, you know. It's certainly good that it's just well packed. So there we go. I almost cut my hand. Oh, that's not good. You should always cut away from you, which is a rule that I learned from the Air Cadets, but also I almost cut myself, so clearly you don't listen to me. Okay, so here are our decks. So just before I unveil the decks, if you remember this deck over here, which is the High Noon playing cards, which, I mean, they feel phenomenal, and also they look great because they have this artsy, you know, back design with the clouds, the blue, and then the pink, the purplish. So I really enjoy this deck as well. So yeah, love this deck. So this is his second deck. This is Tariq's second deck called Second Wind Playing Cards. And so this deck was originally printed in USPCC. Unfortunately, because of circumstances, he needed to switch to a China printing company, which is WJPC. Which I actually haven't tried any of their cards yet, from what I believe. If it comes to China playing cards, I mainly try Legends, but so this is pretty much the first time that I'm trying them. So yeah, really curious as to how it is. All right, and here we go. Here are our cards. Okay, yeah. So let me open these. Alright, so we're back, finally. So obviously, right from the start, you can see that we have this nice little sticker with the pink, with the yellow, with the blue. So this is a nice pastel shade over here. So nice sticker. And so there's essentially 3 versions of the deck. I'm not too sure which one is which. So obviously we have the Gilded Edition over here, right? And so yeah, so this is an extra gift. So thank you so much for sending me these. Okay, I can English. But so there's 2 versions of the normal deck, or the normal deck. So essentially, what happened is these decks were originally supposed to be a flipbook animation of clouds. But what happened was that the printing company was slacked off, and essentially the first printing of this deck, they only had 1 image of the back design, and so it didn't really have the flipbook animation, unfortunately. And so yeah, Tariq needed to go to the printing company and go, okay, please reprint these and all that stuff. And then finally, he could finally get the flipbook animation for the second printing. So he's gonna be selling the ones with the misprint for cheaper on his site. And yeah, he basically gifted all of his backers one of the misprinted decks. I'm not sure which one is which, so if we open one, then that's great. If we don't, then that's completely fine as well. But yeah, without further ado, I suppose let's open one of these decks and see how they feel, because there's actually my first WJPC deck, so might as well try. All right, yeah. So over here we have our deck over here. There's some embossing over here with that nice yellow text. Over on this nice blue box, Second Wind is also embossed over here. And then with the warmth of summer comes new hope. So that is the text over here. All right, and then we have, of course, the back over here, which is embossed as well, and then the embossed text, pink over here, right? It's in Japanese, and then the side over here, and second wind on the top as well. All the information is on the bottom. Second wind, 1 of 1,000, distributed by High Noon Cards, Vancouver, BC, and yeah. Dream by Tariq Selby, and yeah, you can go to their website, scan the QR code, and then get the deck over there, assuming that it's gonna be on by there. I'm actually not too sure if he still has these ones on his site, but yeah, if you want to pick up some nice looking cards, they should be on the site. So yeah, QR code is over here. I'll just, there we go. And so yeah, let's crack open these decks for the very first time. All right, what is real will prosper. Over here, we have some nice blue on the inside as well. And this is our deck. This is our deck over here. Our add card. I need a next life. Not satisfied to know you just once. There we go. So take a long time. The world is lucky to be your home. There you go. So these are our two decks. This might be the, is this the misprinted deck? Okay, yeah, this is the misprinted deck. Okay, so we're lucky to have found the misprinted deck before. So essentially what's supposed to happen, I'll show you with the official deck after, but these ones are all the same image over here, right? But what's supposed to happen is that this cloud is actually supposed to move, right? But obviously this is misprinted, so we don't really have that. Okay, so this flipbook animation is pretty subtle. So if we actually take a look at our flipbook animation over here, right? You can tell the cloud over here is actually moving. Right? It is very subtle, but it is there. So I actually don't mind more subtle flipbook animations because then it blends in a lot easier with the backs versus like some of them are a lot more jarring. But that is the flipbook animation for the second wind playing cards. But I guess we can take a look at the faces as we go through. So here we have a cloud in the shape of an ace, shape of a spade. I can't English, and yeah. This nice little star detail over here as well. I actually gave him that suggestion because I remember for High Noon Cards over here, he did the multiple stars, and then we were talking about the design for this. I was like, it's kind of hard to sort of see like all of these stars. Like it does look kind of messy, kind of splotty, just because he has to make them smaller to fit them all in one pip. So I'm like, what if you just have like one bigger star in there? And yeah, he took the suggestion for these pips, which is nice. He also added a shadow around of the indices over here, which makes them look pretty nice, right? And so so all of these are pretty much standard recolored, right? With the nice shadow over here. The ace is a poster boy over here. 7, 8, 9. Obviously, some of these have the clouds as well. So yeah, some of these do have the clouds. So they're not just recolors. They are there are some extra details in the pips as well, right? You can see like occasional haze in them, right? You can see that they are occasionally hazy, right over here. And so 10, Jack. So these are using the Arco faces, which I'm a big fan of the Arco faces, just because they have that nice antique vintage charm to them. So recolored Arco faces over here, right? Here we have an ace of diamonds. Diamond is over here, right, in the form of a cloud, right? Here we have, again, some hazy details with the pips, right? So very, very nice overall. Over here, then more details and more Arco faces. overall, yeah, looks really good. Honestly, oh, there's the club, and yeah. Yeah, these came out pretty nice, honestly. So, pretty happy with it. And our Ace of Hearts, and we have an extra Ace of Clubs, it seems. So we have 3 extra cards, 2 add cards, and 1 extra Ace of Clubs over here. And yeah, let's give these a quick dribble test. Okay, so the stock is okay. Don't trust me to handle cards, apparently. Alright, I got both cards back, but yeah, they feel nice. Okay. Sorry, I'm just giving a proper test before. Okay, a fan, right? A fan looks nice with the nice hazy detail on the borders, like so, right? Over here, obviously you get that blue if you fan them from one side, and you get that nice hazy, cloudy detail on the other, right? Whatever it did in the C fan. In the C fan over here. Okay, so you get that blue over here, get that blue, oh, that's a bad one, but from the other side, over here. No, over here. There we go. So we got these nice hazy detail on one if we do like a normal indice fan, and we get these clouds if we do a reverse fan over here. Okay, so yeah, honestly, they fan well, they spread well, and they're relatively soft. I will still say that they're kind of they're not stiff. I think a lot of people have this idea of like China cards being really stiff, but honestly, yeah, these are relatively soft. In comparison to USPCC, they're just slightly, just very slightly stiffer. They are slightly thicker, even though these are premium / B stock, so they are slightly stiffer. But honestly, I'm fine with stiff cards. Like, they're really not that much of a deal for me. As for the cut, I might need a traditional. It might be traditional cut. Yeah, they're traditionally cut. I might need. Yeah, okay, they're traditionally cut. And yeah, those are all the specs for these cards. Yeah, fan nice. Relatively soft, still a bit on the stiffer end, and yeah, they are traditionally cut. So yeah, honestly, it's a nice and smooth feeling deck, and yeah, the fact that there's just this subtle flipbook animation I think is really cool as well. Right, just from the clouds, it's very nice. So yeah, that is the Second Wind playing cards. And now let's get to the Gilded deck, which I already opened, but let's just say that this is our, let's just say I'm experiencing it for the first time. So this is our very nice Gilded holographic edge over here. Right, this is our nice holographic edge over here. So yeah, it's the same exact deck, right? Same Joker, same gaff card, and then same flipbook animation as well. So we riffle through the deck. You can see the subtle movements in the cloud over here. And so yeah. Honestly, this is my first Gilded deck, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. And yeah, that was it for the High Noon playing cards. Great feeling cards, love the subtle design, and yeah, honestly, yeah, thank you Tariq for sending me all of these extra little gifts, so really appreciate it. And so yeah, that was it for the High Noon Second Wind playing cards. Again, I think it's actually a good follow-up to these. Yeah, I mean, I do like that he's kind of switching sort of seasons with these, right? Whereas these are sort of with the sort of more sunset-y. These are sort of more maybe springtime, maybe it's just like very early in the morning, and you're just walking out, sipping a cup of coffee, sitting on your porch, and just observing the clouds go by. I think this is sort of those kind of vibes, sort of nostalgic as well. So overall, I really do like his focus on maybe memories, on maybe just looking outside, the mundane and all that stuff. So overall, I'm a huge fan of all the themes that Tariq really does with his brand. And overall, yeah, I'm really glad that that I got these decks in my hands, and yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these. And so yeah, thank you once again for Tariq for sending me all these extra goodies. And yeah, if you want to pick up a deck of your own for intended use, and yeah, obviously the QR code again is I displayed it, but of course if you want, I can send the I'm gonna put the website to his website, the link to his website in the comments as well, so you can go pick these up for yourself. And yeah, overall phenomenal project. Really happy with how these came out. And yeah, thank you for saying buy this, even though I'm a complete mess with my English and all that stuff. But yeah, congrats to Tariq for another successful Kickstarter project, because again, these are all Kickstarter funded. So yeah, I'm really glad that that he managed to make these a reality. And yeah, besides that, thanks for hanging out with me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if you want, you can pick these cards up. And yeah, see you guys next time.